Hi everybody, I am making this hopefully quick video about Microsoft Teams because I'm not sure how clear it is, but we have the Neural Engineering Group has a team. So if you click on it, there are, I see here grades and assignments. I never look at these things here, but if anybody wants to educate me on what those are, I'm only looking at the channels. I'm assuming we're going to create some other channels, but for now, we only have one. And the main, so we can send messages back and forth here. You see messages between me and some people, mostly Marina. And then files. That's the part I want to talk about. I made several folders, so it's just like Explorer. And today in our meeting, we were talking about offline sorter. So I see Marina put here the PDF of the offline sorting protocol, but I also found the Word files. I don't know which one is the latest, but these are from 2015 and 16, so I'm hoping to update them. Today we already saw, Solomon and I saw that 2202, that there is a difference, so it's only for version 3. So I'm gonna open this and add it the beginning to say in the computer. Oh, this is revision 1. 20413. Oh yeah. In here, 2022 only v3 works. So only version 3. Version 4 is only in demo mode, so we can't export it any files. So I would love for us to update these how-tos here. I'm not even sure there is a track changes, but for now, that's what I'm writing. So if you close, actually you can edit this in within Microsoft Teams. And if you go back to General here, you'll see that I also made manuscripts in progress. I'm hoping Kirabel and then Anaya and Solomon can add it here. And then the experimental schedule is what Marina had shared with us. Feel free to open this and update. I would ask you that you put your initials when you update. So for example, this here, oopsie. Can I insert a comment here? Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to leave it here, and then I'm going to close this. So you can add these files right in a Microsoft Teams, and then results is where the photos and the electroactivity. Actually, I have the feeling I'm going to make just one photos, one electroactivity, but these 3 are electroactivity. These are photos from the cell culture room, and it turns out, for example, I have a folder here on the desktop. Actually, I have 2 folders that I want to put in here. I think I can just move like that. So now you see it's uploading. So if you have stuff that you want to move into Microsoft Teams folders, oh, this is already there. 21, 12, 27, okay. So that's that easy. It's like an Explorer window. I think we have infinite space in here. That's that.